In this video we will look at some more of HexEdit's display options. First, you can select the display font using the font item on the view menu. I prefer good old Courier, but there are advantages to a scalable font like a TrueType font. You can choose any font you want, but it's probably best to pick a fixed width or non-proportional font like Lucid or Console. You can also quickly change the font size using these buttons, or by holding down the control key and using your mouse wheel. The control mouse wheel is used to zoom in many programs nowadays like Word, Internet Explorer, etc., but HexEdit has always had this. You can change the character set used by using this drop-down list, which changes the characters displayed in the character area. I could spend a lot of time explaining what character sets are, but basically they say what character is drawn when you send a particular byte to the screen or printer. In brief, ASCII is, or was, just about the only character set used for a long time. HexEdit was a character set used on many larger IBM computers and is still used today in a lot of old file formats. Generally in Windows we use an ANSI character set, which is just an extension to ASCII. The IBM OEM character set is not so much a character set, but it refers to the 256 graphic symbols which were used in the original IBM PC and OEM clones. It's generally only used in MS-DOS games. One thing to watch out for is that under Windows there are a separate group of fonts for this character set, so HexEdit has to keep track of a separate font when you are displaying the IBM OEM character set. I guess I should also mention at this stage that Unicode is a character set gaining in popularity, but Unicode uses 16 bits to store all its characters, and since HexEdit is byte oriented, it does not display Unicode in the character area, though it is extensively supported in other areas such as searches, template strings, etc. You might also have noticed that when we change between character sets, the color of the display changed. There are 4 automatic color schemes which switch between automatically when you change character sets, so that you can quickly recognize which character set you're using. You can actually create and customize other color schemes, and you can even have a different color scheme for each type of file based on file extension. It's very easy to switch between color schemes simply by using this drop-down list. Finally, you can also change how control characters are displayed when in ASCII or ANSI mode. Most hex editors display control characters just as dots in the character area. Since this is a text file, the only control characters are carriage turn and line feed. The alpha option just says to display an alphabetical character, so carriage turn, which is control M, is just displayed as an M. C and C++ option displays characters as their escape sequence, so carriage turn, which is \r in a C string, is displayed as an R. Now you can distinguish control characters from normal ones by their color. If the color scheme says to display control characters as a different color. I'll just add some more control characters to this file because carriage turn and line feed are control characters that often appear in text files, so they are green in this color scheme. Other control characters are reds. This allows you to quickly see what sort of file you've got, whether it's a text file or not. Anyway, in the next video I'll look at how to change the format of the display, such as columns.